Hi, in today's video I'm going to show you how to use ghost mode on Snapchat. So first let's get into our app by tapping on the Snapchat icon. Alright, and then I just want you to go through your map, your Snapchat map, on the bottom left corner, and also you can just tap on your profile, and here you can scroll down until you can see the snap map. Tap on it. Okay, once you are here, I just want you to go into that gear icon on the top right corner and tap on it. Okay, once you tap on it, you will see the ghost mode option. So let's tap on that option. So here it says your friends can't see your location while you are in ghost mode. So here you can choose if you want to enable it for 3 hours, 94 hours, or until turned off. So let's choose the until turned off, and now you are in another way, your friends can't see your location anymore. So guys, it's so simple and so easy to use that mode. They are not able to see your location, whether you are able to see their locations on the map. So it's so useful if you want to be hidden. And that's the video, guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share that video with your beloved ones. And thank you so much for watching again.